fragile, just getting on your feet. Every day with you was counted, unaware our days are numbered. It was sweet, and it was tender. A dream I still remember, now the taste is all this bitter. Oh, I long to share the beauty of this world I hope to show you, but you skipped ahead to glory. So I wait for you to hold me where we'll laugh with no more tears. And your new home on streets of gold, rest in the arms that hold the world. Wish I could see you on your birthday, but I don't see you on your birthday. Light a candle, but the flame burns out like the wind knocked out of my lungs. Wish I could see you on your birthday, but I just miss you on your birthday. Sing you a song, but the sound fades out like your heart gave out on the day when we said goodbye. Hope they throw you a party up there in the sky. It was tragic the day you left. Never knew that losing you I'd lose a piece of myself too. I hit the floor, never screamed so loud. This kind of love, there is a cost. You're worth every tear I've lost. So I can't forget the memory bled my heart out when you left me. But a voice I hear inside is telling me that you're alright. You're safe now from all the pain, and I can't wait for the day when I hear you call my name. Wish I could see you on your birthday, but I don't see you on your birthday. Light a candle, but the flame burns out like the wind knocked out of my lungs. Wish I could see you on your birthday, but I just miss you on your birthday. Sing you a song, but the sound fades out like your heart gave out on the day when we said goodbye. Hope they throw you a party up there in the sky.